This is a additional question regarding license to sell. What if subdivided yung farmland? Ang tanong, ilang property siya or ilang subdivided na lot? Kasi as a kahit person ka or company, kapag more than 6 properties yung nabenta mo within a year, matatag ka as a real estate developer or meron kang habitual engagement in real estate, automatic yon, lalo na sa BIR, talagang required yon na maging developer. If that's the case, dapat magkaroon sila ng license to sell. So, kung hindi naman ganun kadami, halimbawa, kalimitan to sa mga direct owner sa sa mga probinsya na magsasubdivide lang ng halimbawa 4 or not more than 6 lots, yon okay lang. Pero pag more than, meron akong alam sa Rizal tsaka sa Cavite na nagbebenta ng farm lot subdivided into many lots pero wala silang license to sell. Well, yun yung mga example na hindi legal. So, better check, and mas maganda rin tignan mo yung license nila as a company. Yun lang. If you have additional questions,